Good morning, students. Today we are going to study Political Science chapter number 3, the Judiciary in India. In this chapter, we will come to know about the Indian judicial system, type of courts, and the independence of the system. Judiciary. It is a branch of the government which applies, maintains law and order in the society. Role of judiciary. It resolves the disputes between citizens and the government, or between two state governments, or between center and state government. It has the power of judicial review to abolish a law if it is against the constitution. It also protects the fundamental rights of the citizens. We have two branches of legal system. First one is civil law. It deals with dispute between various individuals or organizations like dispute over property, marriage, custody or money. The second one, criminal law. It deals with crime-based cases like murder, kidnapping, etc. We have three levels of the Indian judicial system. Supreme Court is the highest court of law in India. It is followed by High Court, which is at state level. At district level, there are district and subordinate courts. Students, first of all, we'll discuss about the Supreme Court. Chief Justice of India heads its proceedings with 30 other judges. Chief Justice is appointed by the President of India on advice of Council of Ministers. The other judges are appointed by President of India on recommendation of Chief Justice of India. To be appointed as a judge of Supreme Court, one must be citizen of India with 5 years of experience as a High Court judge, 10 years of experience as a High Court advocate and a distinguished jurist. Once appointed, a judge can remain in office till 65 years of his age. There is a tough process of removal called impeachment. A judge is removed only if he misuses the office, power or misbehave. Power and functions of Supreme Court. It has original jurisdiction over the cases, the disputes between union and state government, or violation of fundamental rights. It has the power to hear appeal against judgments of the lower courts. It has the power to advise the President on constitutional issues when in need. It has the power to abolish a law if it violates the Constitution and also to issue writs. Writ is a written command to enforce fundamental rights of people. The decision of Supreme Court in all the cases are recorded and can be referred by the court in similar cases. Next we have High Court. It works at state level. It is composed of one Chief Justice and the number of judges varies from state to state as per the size of state. Chief Justice is appointed by President in consultation with Chief Justice of India and Governor of the state. For appointing other judges, President consult Chief Justice of India, Governor of the state and Chief Justice of High Court. To be appointed as judge of a High Court, one must be citizen of India with 10 years of experience as High Court advocate and 10 years of experience as holder of judicial office. A judge can hold his or her office till 62 years of his age. The process of removal of judge of High Court is same as the Supreme Court and it is called as impeachment. Power and functions of Supreme Court. It has original jurisdiction over violation of fundamental rights or the election disputes in that state. It has the power to hear appeal in civil and criminal and revenue cases against the judgments of the lower court. It has the power to supervise the functioning of lower courts. It can issue the writs to enforce fundamental rights and legal rights of the people living in the state. It keeps a record of all the judgments covered in this court. At the lower level, we have subordinate courts at district level. The district court deals with the civil cases related to money, property, marriage, and divorce. The session court deals with the issues related with criminals like robbery, murder, etc. We have other judicial systems such as the revenue court. It deals with cases related to land, records of agricultural land, and collection of revenue. On the top, we have Board of Revenue. Under this, we have district collectors at district level, and at the lowest level, in the tehsils, we have the tehsildars. We also have Nyaya Panchayats to deal with minor civil and criminal cases at village level. There can be one Nyaya Panchayat for a group of 5 villages. It provides speedy and less expensive justice to the people. It can impose small fine on the people, but there can be no jail order. We also have Lok Adalats, which provides speedy and inexpensive justice to the people. There is no requirement of lawyers. There is no court fee charged. It is headed by a retired judicial officer and 2 members, preferably a social worker and a lawyer. It has a simple procedure. It also has reduced the load of the higher courts. Students, now we will discuss about the last topic of our chapter, that is independence of judiciary. There is no interference by legislative and executive bodies. Also, separation of power helps judiciary to make independent decisions. Executive and legislative do not have much role in appointment of the judges. There is a difficult process of removal of the judges. It enables judges to gather the experience and to provide justice without fear or any favor. Students, I hope that you will read this chapter very carefully. Thank you.